Students, next topic of microorganisms lessons continually. Then only pictures of algae. Algae I will explain that study of alkaloids. Okay. Then only cell structures of Calamidomonas. Okay. Calamidomonas, that is a simple unicellular motile freshwater algae. They are oval, spherical, or firiform in shape. That is, firiform is common one found in ponds, ditches, and water tank. They have narrow anterior end and broad posterior end. The cell is surrounded by thin and fine cells, wall made up of all cellulose. The cytoplasm is seen in between the cell membrane, the chloroplast. The cell contains large dark nuclei lying inside the cavities of the cup of shaped chloroplast. Okay, that is uh, sexual and asexual modes of reproduction in that cell structures of Calamidomonas. Okay, then only these pictures of Protozoa. What is cell structures of Protozoa? Amoeba is unicellular microscopic organism. It is found in bonds. Amoeba is irregular in shape. It has cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nuclei. Protozoan that moves by the means by the Pisidopodia. Okay, Pisidopodia are the extended part of cell membrane. It helps to catch its prey. The body follows around the food particles, forming food vocals. That is, amoeba reproduces by means of fission and sporulations. Okay, this is called as amoeba. These pictures of prions. What is prions? The word prions is derived from the proteinox infectious particles. Prions have neither DNA or RNAs transmitted infections. Muted form usually harmful proteins. That is, prion causes of diseases affecting in our brain. The neutral diseases, examples of Jacob diseases. That is another examples of groove associated with cannibalism. Okay, that is this is called as prions. Then only virions. Okay, virions, that is virions, examples of in an entire virus particles constituting of an outer protein shell called a capsid. Inner core nucleic acid, RNA, and DNA. The virus found outside the cells of is known as virion. Virion has a capacity of affect living diseases. These pictures of virions, the more structures of including that bots. Okay, then only uses of microorganism are useful different field, that is examples of medicine, agriculture, and industry. Those useful of microorganism, some examples of first medicine. We obtained antibiotics and vaccine from the microscope. Some bacteria help to make the antibiotics and vaccine, which are also useful for human to prevent diseases. So several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis can be prevented by the vaccination. Okay, then only microorganism in other production of vaccine, amino acid, enzymes, vitamins. Okay, microorganisms play an important role in agriculture. Microorganisms help in organic matter decomposition, humus formation. The important role of microorganisms included nitrogen fixations, phosphate solubilization, and potassium mobilizations, and antagonisms towards pathogens, pests. Okay, then only First, nitrogen fissudations. What is nitrogen fissudations? Ribosome bacteria living in the root nodules of the leguminous plants enrich the soil by the fishing the atmospheric nitrogen as nitrogen, which are essential for the growth of plants. Some free living bacteria in soil like cyanobacteria, nostoc and can also fix nitrogen biologically. Okay, then only biocontrol agents. What is biocontrol agents of microorganisms or biocontrol agents? They are used to control insects, pests, pathogen or weeds on plants. Microorganisms used for biological control are bacteria, fungi, virus and protozoa. Some are used in commercial scale, used to control mostly insects, pests and help high yield by the control of diseases. Microorganism using that industry. What is industry criteria? More industry usings of microorganisms, they should be liberate a large amount of single product that can be efficiently isolated and purified. They should be easily to maintain and cultivate. They should have genetic stability with infrequent mutations. They are usually manipulated genetically. Okay, they are usually manipulated genetically. Then only microorganism in our daily life, they fixes nitrogen in soil, which enhance the fertility of soil. They converts milk into curd. They are also used in making pickles or cheeses and many other food items. Then only microorganism food preparations. For microorganisms food production, nature of use microorganism to carry out fermentation process, and for thousands of years mankind has used yeasts, mold and bacteria to make food products such as bread, beer, wine and vinegar, that is cheese, as well as fermented fishes, meat and vegetables, that is microorganisms of usings of hormonal then only food production of microorganisms, then only hormone of microorganisms. So 95% of all microscopes are harmless. Some are very beneficial to humans. Bacteria in people's intestine helps to digest food. Some hormones product people to competing of hormone microscope or space. Okay, then only harmful microorganisms to plants, animals and humans, they causes diseases, hence they are called as pathogens. Pathogens enter into the body through dust and wounds in the skin, mouth or nose and causes diseases. So this is called as harmful microorganisms. Then only microbalance and imbalance uses of microorganisms, that is 1000 bacteria of fungi and other microscopes that live in our essential contributions good health. They break down toxins, manufacture some vitamins and essential amino acids and form a barrier against invaders. That is usings of they are one most important allies in the overall health and well-being. They our bodies all the importance nutrition to function it is highest level. Many different aspects of health are attached to it is. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all. Watch the video and then only refer the book lessons microorganisms. Okay, thank you to all.